In this video I am going to show you the AutoCAD 2016 user interface. When you start this program, it starts with this Start tab, and as you see in the middle there is a recent document list. From the left side you can sign into AutoCAD 360 and you can store drawing in the cloud. At the bottom there is a learn page. Going to learn page, you can access to different video related to this program, and you can take idea about this program watching these videos. And going to create, you can start your drawing by selecting any template from this drop down menu, and you can also start your drawing by simply clicking on this area. This is the main window of AutoCAD 2016, and the whole area is the drawing area. And as you see at the top line, this is the title bar, and when you save the drawing, the name appears in this line. From the left side there is a list of some common items: new, save as, plot, undo, redo, which is called quick access toolbar. You can add or subtract more items from this drop down menu. You can add workspace, and from this workspace you can navigate to 2D and 3D model. The red area is called the application menu. Going to application menu, you can access to different common items, and there is a search command option appears. You can search command. For example, if you know there is a offset command but you don't know where is the location of the offset command, you can search from here. And there is a two version of offset command. One is two-dimensional, another is three-dimensional. The two-dimensional offset command is under ribbon tab home in the modify panel, and there is a offset command. Let's find that. So this is the ribbon tab home, and this is the modify panel, and this is the offset command. In this way, if you don't know the location of the command, you can search by going to this application menu, and from this search command area. From this section you can search any phrases or anything in for this program. And this is the AutoCAD 360 sign in area. You can sign in from this section, and which is AutoCAD app system. You can access to these apps from this section, and there is a connect area of Autodesk Online Community, and which is the standard help system. The entire window has a standard control system here, and the current window has a standard control system here. Different ribbon tab, and each ribbon tab has different command and different panel. The home tab has different panel like draw, modify, and each panel has more commands in this drop down menu. So you can examine more command going to this drop down menu of each panel, and each ribbon tab has different commands listed there. And you can change the arrangement of this command by going to this below workspace switching and selecting 3D basis. So when you selecting 3D basis, the commands of each ribbon tab has been changed, and all the commands listed here is for three-dimensional model. So change to drafting and annotation to go to two-dimensional model. Each time when you navigate from 3D to 2D, you see this is a floating palette which is called design feed. Just close it for now. At the bottom there is a model and layout tab. Going to layout tab, you can represent your drawing with the standard sheet size paper of sheet, and you can also access to model and layout by holding down your mouse on this file tab, and you can see information about any command by holding your mouse on that command, and you can learn about that command by holding your mouse on that. This command is called the view cube. With this view cube you can navigate three-dimensional model, and at the bottom there is a status bar with some common items which is used for 2D and 3-dimensional project. And as you see, there is a command line. When you type any command here, it show you different command related to your search, and you can click any command from this list to be activated in that command. Escape to exit the command. And at the bottom there is a status bar toggle. The blue color indicates the command is on and the gray color indicates the command is off, and each command has drop down menu, so there are more options in the drop down menu. You can add or subtract items from this rightmost corner of the customization, and there is a list of more items, and you can add or subtract items in this list, and you can use them from this status bar toggle. And this is the standard coordinate system, user coordinate system. Just deselect it. The command listed in different panel, you can rearrange. For example, this is the row 1, and in the drop down list this is the row 2. For example, if you want to relocate this construction line to here row 1, you can do that. Type CUI for customize user interface, and go to ribbon, then go to panel, and under the panel there is a home 2D draw. Open row 1 and open row 2. So I want to relocate this construction command to this above this line 1. So simply drag that by holding your left button of the mouse and keep here. And as you see, the construction line is already relocated, but the icon is very small. You can change the icon size by selecting large text with vertical, so it is fitting now. You can also rename this name to construction line and say apply and OK. So in a few seconds you can see that the construction command is now under row 1. In this way you can change the location of different command from one row to another row. And you can also rename the shortcut key. To do that, go to ls edit. From here you can change, for example, if you want to change the circle command to CI, you can do that. So select the circle command, go to edit and write CI, then OK, apply, yes, OK and OK. So now you can see the circle command is CI. Or if you want to change this copy command CO to only C, you can do that. Go to ALIASCD edit and search CO copy command CO and go to edit, only C, delete O, OK, yes, OK. And sometimes you may face that the command is not activating, so you have to close and relaunch the program and it will be activated then. And during the overwriting process there may have the existing command there, and you can also delete or remove any duplicate item. So this is CO for copy and C is for also copy. So you have to close the program and relaunch, and if the both copy command is exists, then you can also remove that from that list. In this way you can change any shortcut command and as per your choice. You can minimize different ribbon tab palette. For example, if you don't want to show all these items here, you can do that by going to this arrow. You can click one time to minimize to panel button, so it will increase the drawing area. And now you can use different toolbar by going to this draw panel and selecting. You can click another time to minimize to panel title, so it will be like this. And now you have to click draw and select any command and you can draw. You can click another time to minimize to panel tab to tab, and it will be invisible. And when you click home, it will show all the palette under home, and you can click any command, you can work. So while you working, there will be no a panel under any ribbon tab. And if you click fourth time, it will be cycle back to the previous option. So you can also change this presentation if you want. And at last I want to show you that you can remove any unnecessary options from this drawing area. For example, if you don't want to keep this V cube or this status bar, you can also remove this user coordinate system and this file tab and also this model and layout tab. So go to view, and here is a off and on option. You can remove the usage icon, you can remove the view cube, and you can also remove navigation bar. This is the file tab. You can also remove this file tab, but it is helpful, you can keep that if you want. And you can also remove this layout tab from the bottom, and you can access the layout tab from this drawing or file tab option. And this way you can mix your own setting if you want, and if you don't want the unnecessary option to be visible in your drawing.